In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a clean, clearly named home for your files, so everything is easier to find, share, and manage. First, open your web browser and head to Google. If you're not already signed in, sign in so your Drive is available. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the small grid of dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click that grid to open the menu of Google Services. From the list, click Drive. This takes you into Google Drive, your cloud storage space. You should land in My Drive, which is where your personal files and folders are stored. If your drive looks a bit cluttered, don't worry. That's exactly what a new folder will help with. Now, look to the top left corner of the Drive interface and click the New button. It has a plus sign and is your starting point for creating anything in Drive. When the menu appears, choose New Folder. This tells Drive you're creating a folder rather than a document, spreadsheet, or upload. A small dialog will pop up asking for the folder name. Type a clear, descriptive name that reflects what you'll store inside. Something like Project Assets, Invoices 2026, or Travel Photos. Good names save time later, especially when you're searching or collaborating. Keep it simple and consistent, avoid confusing special characters, and think about how the name will sort alphabetically with your other folders. You can always rename it later if your needs evolve. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Drive will immediately make your folder and place it in My Drive. You'll see it appear in your file list, often accompanied by a brief confirmation message. If your view is set to a specific sort order, the folder may appear near the top. Either way, it should be visible within a moment. You can open the folder right away if you're ready to start organizing, or leave it in place until you need it. That's all it takes to create a folder in Google Drive. This simple habit keeps your workspace tidy, speeds up search, and makes sharing with others more straightforward. If you work with a team, you can follow the same approach inside shared areas to keep group content structured. And as your projects grow, consistent naming and a logical folder layout will make it much easier to stay on top of everything. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.